Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to be playing a design game for you guys. So, you're probably thinking, James, I've never heard of this game before. Well, let me tell you something. I have, because literally on every platform I go on, whether it be Facebook, Instagram, it comes up on my advertisements. Even on YouTube ads, like, it comes up on my advertisements, this game. So I was like, nah, I'm not going playing it, so you can stop advertising it to me because it's not going to happen. I'm not getting sucked into this. But downloaded it yesterday and I was like, you know what, I'm going to play it. But I'm only going to play it for you guys. So that's the backstory with how this video came to be, because it was advertised to me numerous times across every platform. So don't know how that happened, but it did. Anyway, let's open up the game and see what it's all about. It looks very pretty, I'm not gonna lie, it looks very pretty. So, I mean, is this still recording? So let's press play. Okay, so hi there! I'm Julia, your new assistant. I am so excited to be working with you. Are you ready for your first client? Yes, Julia, I am. Let's bring them on. Living room disaster. Rachel just moved into her new home in San Francisco. Her living room is empty and lacks personality. Not for long, Rachel. With a limited budget. Oh, God, of course. Can you help her transform the space into the room of her dreams? Well, Rachel, with a limited budget, we'll see what we can do. Oh, thank goodness you are here. I'm so excited to start transforming this space. We are too, Rachel. We are too. Absolutely. Okay, so, sorry, Julia, but like, I mean, do I get a talking to all of this? I mean, okay, whatever. Absolutely, we are here to help. Let's get started by looking at the blueprint. Okay, let's see the blueprint. Okay, so hold on a second here. Like, do I not even get to design a blueprint or anything? Like, wow, I love it. It's beautiful, but can't afford all this. Hold on a second. Is it Julia, my assistant? I think she's like trying to like overtake us or something, because she totally done that blueprint all by herself and is making us look stupid. So, okay, whoa, who is Troy? And like, what is it? Troy? Not to worry, Troy here to the rescue. Okay, so that's kind of awkward referring to yourself in the third person, but whatever. Oh, Troy, anything you say sounds good. Oh, okay, Rachel. So we're trying to like a thing. I don't. Julia, totally. I can reupholster the sofa to make it look brand new as well. Let's do this. Okay. Why do I feel so excluded? Like, I mean, I'm literally not even here. Oh, I get to do all the work. Okay, that's fine. I'm just, they're obviously the face of the brand and I'm just in the back. Well, I mean, this is a hard choice because I don't even know what is the wallpaper going to stay the same? Is like, I mean, this is so backwards. Okay, let's just go with the white couch just to be safe, you know? Well, what do you think? That is looking really good. I didn't think you could transform an old sofa to something chic. Well, yes, you can. Great. Before we get to the rest of the remodel, let's go earn some coins. Oh, she's a sneaky little... Let's play a puzzle to get more coins. Collect design pieces. Okay. Match 3 pieces, collect them. Okay. Oh, that seems easy enough. Okay, keep matching blue pieces to mine. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh! Look at that, 715. Okay. In the bank. Okay, so let's start with the wall coverings, you know. Let's paint these walls. Oh, see, I knew it. I knew it. We'd be changing the wall colors. Now I wish I went with the black because it would have been a better contrast. I mean, no, and no. Let's just go with the pattern one. Wall really helps the sofa pop. Not really, it really kind of blends in, but you know what, we're just gonna go with it. I'm really starting to see the potential of this space. Well, good, Rachel, I'm glad you are, because Julia is taking over everything and like it's been really rude. So let's go for a coffee table. I mean, we only have 415, so I mean, we actually can't afford anything, so we have to, I guess we have to play again. Oh my god. Level 2, collect design pieces, 20 and 20, okay. This is actually really easy, I'm actually surprised. Oh, Julia, get away. I'm trying to like, oh sorry. Julia, I know what to do, okay, so can you please leave me alone? Oh, 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 oh! God, oh my god, oh my god. I win, I win. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, so let's 1,208, just like that. So let's get this shades. Now see, I wanna see what does the floors look like. See, I don't wanna commit, so let's change the coffee table because I mean gorgeous, I love that coffee table. Well, I'm so glad you do. Rachel, keep up the good work. Listen, Julia, okay, sorry, who's paying who here? I mean, I believe you're my assistant, so I mean, let's get you to play some games, right? I think that's only fair. How much is this? 5. We can afford it. Oh, we can afford this one, no problem. Oh god, let me just cancel that. And this, I want to see what this one. Okay, so we do like accent. Yes, okay, I think that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, I think we'll do like the black ones, just to kind of add a bit of contrast. Oh, damn, I forgot to see what Julia said. Damn. Okay, so now we're getting more options. What? Okay, let's play some more games, I guess. Okay guys, you know what, I'm gonna play these games and I'm gonna go back with more money so we can just pick out the furniture then. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back. I have got 2,150 coins, and guess what guys, it actually gets harder as you play, so like trying to match them up gets like way harder. So like, just as a warning, this is a warning, because I was like kind of like, oh my god, like, and you only get a certain amount of moves as well. Luckily I haven't lost any games yet, but you know what, I'm just saying, it gets a bit harder. Oh, Rachel sent us a heart. Thank you, Rachel. Look at, oh, looking good, Troy. I mean, the floor. Oh god, Rachel, like, go ahead and meet someone. Like, I mean, do you have a husband? I don't know. Okay guys, so we're just showing the room to Rachel. Oh, look at this. God, who designed that? I don't know. Now, I don't like the pictures on the wall, but you know what, we're just gonna have to go with it and just deal with it. I'm not mad at this. I think this is really cool. OMG, I love it. Is this room mine? Yes, Rachel. It's better than I ever imagined. It looks so chic, but also relaxing and comforting. Yes, thank you guys so much. But let's be honest, who done the most work here? Me. I think we could all agree on that. So, okay guys, so next episode is a kitchen makeover. So, okay. That is the game I was dying to play for you guys. Now, I really enjoyed it. Not gonna lie, I really enjoyed it, and I don't normally like enjoy playing them kind of games. So you have to do like puzzles and stuff. It's like too much for me. So, but like I did actually enjoy that one. So that is called Home Design. You get on the App Store. You know, it's good. I really enjoyed it. So I will do a next episode. I'll be doing the kitchen, so be sure to keep an eye out for that. So if you don't want to miss that episode, be sure to hit that subscribe button, also hit that little notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.